Hi yours. Today topic is chapter in 13th chapter. What is that 13th chapter I have? Mapping skills. What is that? Mapping skills. In this topic, the first exercise is 13.1. What is the first sum? This map is drawn the scale of a 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. It is a approximately. Using the scale, find the approximate distance between the Panjri and Lenovals if their distance between them on the map. Okay. It's here to here already mapping on given here in red mark that what is the distance on there. Okay, this one you done the what is that 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. So 2.5 centimeter is equal to how much? So how is that modified? This is called distance. Answer is equal to, this is answer completely. Distance is equal to 2.5 into 200. How much? 500. Okay. How much? 500. What is the 500? Kilometers. Understood? 1 centimeters, 200 kilometers given already. 2.5 centimeters, how much is asking? So already given to here, red mark on here. What is that? Lenoval to Panji. Panji to Lenoval, how much distance is there? Distance is equal to 2.5 into 200, 500 kilometers. Multiplied in the both. Next one sum only given the 13.1. Another one, we answered the following questions using the map given to the below. What is that? Here, neatly mapping will be observed. What is that first question asking on here? Raju leaves the Rama's manor. This one, Rama's manor. He wants to go to the temple. Then what is the shortest route of should take? Which shortest route is checking on that? He is going to the Rama's motor to the temple. That is the first question. How to going on that? Easily this Raju going to station of what is the station road to? Station road to Vivekananda Road and Ganesh Mango. From Ganesh Manga to left taken the temple will be shortest route. Yes or no? Next, what is the second question? If he has at the hotel residency and wants to go to the upper airport, then which are the routes that he will have to the cross? See, here see here. What is asking on here? He is the hotel residency. Hotel residency. Where it is? This one. What is this? This one. Hotel residency wants to go to the airport. Airport to want to go to the airport. Then which are the roads that will be have the cross? Which road will be crossing on here? Kasturba Manga and airport. This boy in the living on Rama's motor. What is that airport to? Kasturimanga touching on that after hotel residence will going. Which routes are crossing on here? Kasturbaman and airport. That is the answer on here. Right here. Kasturba Monk and airport road. Okay. First question, what is that? Station RD and Vivekananda Road. Road RD means road. Viveka to Viveka Nanda Road. To Vivekananda Road. Station Road to Vivekananda Road. And from there, what is that? Take left. What is that? Take left to Take left, what is that? Vivekananda, to take left, what is coming on here? Ganesh Mag. Here we right. Ganesh Mag. Okay. Second question over. What is the third question? Raju and his friends he have decided to meet at Nehru Circle. Where it is that? Nehru Circle. And then go to the park. If the friends coming from the Vignan Road and other from South Avenue, then which road will be they using reach the Nehru Circle? Which road you coming on reach the Nehru Circle? And which road will they use to reach the park? See, what is the answer? See, this is the Nehru Circle. Raju friends have decided meet where it is? Nehru Circle. Then go to the park. After we'll go to the park. Park here. Park is here. It is the Nehru. Okay. Now, if one's friends coming to the Vignan Road. One friend where it is Vignan Road be there. And another one other from South Avenue. Another friend where it is South Avenue. Where is the South Avenue? Here. Okay. One friend comes to in this place, one friend comes to here place. All are meeting to the Nehru Circle. You go to where it is? Park. Then, which road will be using to reach the park? Which road you selected? In the shortcut or long cut? We coming to the Nehru Circle. See, answer. This is the Nehru Circle. Vignan Road compulsory touching on that Mahatma Gandhi. What is that writing on here? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Road. And what is that? South Avenue? Sardar Patel. This one person touching compulsory in this one. One person compulsory is touching in this one. Next, what is that? Road and Sardar Patel Road. Okay. Next, all are meeting. Okay. Now you park how to go. Which road? This boy comes to here. This boy comes to here. This after all comes to the Kasturiba Road. Now Kasturiba Monk. Okay. These all our friends will be meeting on to the Nehru Circle. There will all are comes to touching on the Kasturba and their Kasturba Road will be crossing and reach the park. Yes. Next, what is that last question? Give the direction which these the place lie from the Nehru Circle, airport, hotel, residency, school, hospital and park. See. Read nicely. See, Nehru Circle. See, this is the directions. North, East, West, South. Okay. In this set, first one, what is that? Asking on here. Airport. What is that? Airport. Where it is? Left side. It means north and north airport. Right in this type. Okay. Airport. North. Then west. Okay, correct or not? Airport where it is? This is that. Here. Okay. This is north, west, east, south. Okay. Next one. Next one, what is that? Asking on here. Hotel residency. Hotel residency where it is? Right. Hotel residency. Okay. Where it is? Hotel residency. See, east than to north. North. Here, here. Okay, this is the here. Okay, what is that? Writing on here? East than north. Okay. Third one, what is the asking? School. What is that? Fourth one. Third one, school. School where it is? See, observe the map. Where it is the school, right side. What is that? hotel residency in the north side, na? So we are not writing to east, sorry. See, here east no, only north. School is the east to north. East to north, okay? Sorry. Okay? Hotel residence airport is the north to west, ma. North to west airport. See, direction will be here. Hotel residency only completely top of the, this one direction is the north. And next one, what is asking on here? School. School where it is? Here, school. School where it is? East to north. East to north. Where is school? This is the school. Okay. Next one, last one, what is asking? Hospital. What is that? Hospital. Hospital where it is? See, hospital where it is? East. Only hospital where it is? South. Okay. And what is the next one? Park. Last one is the park. What is that park where it is? What is this? South. Okay. This answer clearly writing on in my notes. Okay. See here. That map we already see. This is north, ma. This is east, south and west. Okay. In this map you observe where it is airport. Airport in this one directions is there. Okay, this directions airport is. What is this one? So first question answer, what is that? First one, what is asking? Airport. What is asking? Airport. This is direction the north, then to west. Correct or not? West. Second one, what is asking? Hotel. What is asking? Hotel residency. Okay. Where it is hotel residency? This one. What is the direction in this one? Hotel. This is the hospital. Hotel residency in the top of that. Here, this one. Only point on that. So, nicely writing on here only north. Third one, what is asking? School. School. What is that? East. School where it is? Here. Okay. Top from this one. So, directions is what? East to north. Okay. Next, fourth one, what is that? Hospital. Hospital. Where it is? Hospital here. What is the direction in this one? Hospital? South. Fifth one, last one. Park. Park where it is? Here. What is that one? Park is south. Hospital writing on not is south. This is hospital here, south. This is also south, no. Hospital direction in the east side. So write in east one. Okay. This is the answers. Next one. Oh, last question is there. Another one. Okay. What is that last question? What is asking here? See, page number 196. At Nehru Circle, a car hit an old man ran. Raju saw the old man bleeding. He immediately ran to help him. What is the shortest route can be take the reach of the hospital in the earliest? Okay. What is asking on here? One old man crossed the road on that. You observe the completely depending on the picture. Okay. This picture. So, where it is going on that? The old man where it is? Your textbook also along with you. Okay. Immediately helps to the, what is the road? Where it is Nehru Circle. What is that? Nehru Circle. There will saw the one old man problem, blaming problem, you save that help to them. What is that? Shortest route in reach to the hospital. What is the Nehru circle in this one? This is the Nehru circle. How to comes to the hospital? What is this road? Okay, what is this road? Kasturiba Manga. Don't forget it. E-bit. This is the E-bit. This is completely D-bit, ma. This is E-bit. What is that? Kasturba Mark. Okay. There. Then where it is and Kasturba Mark to where it is crossing on the hospital. What is it? Station Road. Okay. RD. Understood? Okay. This V is the completed for you. Next one. Second question you have in here. See, observe. Given below, map in China. What is that? Map in China. Study the map carefully and answer the questions. If you want to walk along the Marina Beach from the Presidency College towards the University of Madras, what is the road will be take? What is that one? Mahindra Beach. Where it is Mahindra Beach? You have jot down here Mahindra Beach. All read all the names first. Okay. Marina Beach from to Presidency College towards University of the Madras. What is the use of road will using? Okay. Along with Marina, walk to the, if you walk to along to Marina Beach, where it is Marina Beach, check the what one? See, Marina Beach Road. Okay, down of the map is there. Okay. Marina Beach also is after one is there. What is that answer? Along, if you want to walk along to the Marina Beach from to where it is going? Is going to where? No one is there. Okay. The Presidency College towards to University of Madras. Presidency College towards to University of Madras. This one, University of Madras. What is crossing on here? No one is not medial. So what is the answer? Marina Beach Road. What is the answer? Right here. Marina Beach Road. Okay. Next. Give the directions by Bay of Bengal as the scene of Victoria Students Hostel. Okay. Once both will be observed. Victoria Students Hostel in this one. Okay. Bay of Bengal, where it is? Bay of Bengal here. Okay. Which direction in this one? Bay of Bengal. This is the Victoria Students Hostel. Which direction is there in this one? Which direction is there? Normally you observe in this map. Which direction? This is the west side. Is correct. Which directions is there is Bay of Bengal? East. What is the answer? East. Understood? Next, C. Which road is the West Kasturiba Gandhi Hospital for Women and Children? See, which road? Okay, what is that? West of. West means this side. Kasturiba Gandhi Hospital Women's Child is there. Okay, which road that one? Which road that one? The road is Belly Street. What is that? Bell C or D. Okay, here answer is there. That is answer right. Next, David. Anna Memorial is to the dash of MGR Memorial. Anna Memorial, where it is? Anna Memorial here. Okay. What is that asking on here? MGR Memorial. MGR Memorial, where it is? Here. Okay. MGR Memorial to Anna Memorial, which direction? Is this the up? Up means what is that? North. What is that answer? North. Okay. Next one, last bit. Which roads would you take from the University of Madras, Chepyok? See, Madras Chepyok, here it is. Once you see. Madras, okay, Chepyok. Okay, this one, Chepyok. Madras where it is. This is Chepyok. Madras where it is. See all of you Madras in your textbook. University of Madras in here. Okay. What is, which roads will be crossed to here coming or here coming? Which roads will be crossing on here? All roads will be writing on here. What is that? Here. What is the first step? Here. Chopki hospital not given here. So Chopki is the separated. Chopki's hospitals is separated. Okay. Only Chopki's. Okay. Which roads will crossing on here? This is the Madras University. See. Here coming. I'm here to start it here. No, na. So what is that? First one, which road in this mama? Marina Beach Road. Is okay. Chupki coming on this. This one coming to which one? University to Chupki coming now. Okay, university. What is that? University already I wrote on here. Marina Beach. What is that one? Marina Beach. Okay, ma. Marina Beach. What is that road? And that's after what, where are going in this one, in this road after here to not comes to here now. This road completely one road, this completely one road ma. Okay, this after where it is going, write that one. What is the spelling? Valjas Road. Okay, this after where are going? Chopok Hospital Road separated, Chopka Road separated. Ma. Okay, Hospital Road, na? Hospital RD. Okay. Yes or no? That's Hospital Road. After what is that? Chopki coming. Okay, this is the answer. Solve you already all are wrote neatly. Okay, 13.1. What is the exercise complete on this one? 13.1. Exercise. Okay, exercise completed. Okay, ma, completed. Okay, thank you. Smile.